Hello everybody, how y'all doing today, and welcome back to another video. And today we got the brand new No Sweat Summer event now live. It's been live for I don't know how many hours, but brand new quest live for some amazing free rewards. Now I already got 2 of them done, and those are styles of the brand new backbling, which is called um the Ice Blasted. Um, they don't actually have a name for it, but yeah. So I'm gonna show you guys everything I have gotten so far, plus those 2 styles. So not only this is a no sweat summer quest, but there's also the rebuild the block quest you can do. And the last 2 are eliminate players during the rebuild the block event, and then survive storm phases during rebuild the block event. So I got 9 and 15. I'm stage 2 out of 5, and then I'm stage 3 out of 5 for eliminate players during the block event. So I already got 2 out of the 3 rewards. One of them was a contrail. The other one was a pickaxe. The last one is a backbling. So I'll show you guys all the rewards I got so far. We'll go to recent, and that is the Ice Blasted part of the refreshing beverage set. So there it is. Now, like I said, you do get other styles, which is Cuddle Cruiser. I think this is one of the crew packs styles. I don't know. I'm not for sure which one it is. You get this Nana Frost, and then you got Fishy Flurry, and then you got the Goopy Guff. Pretty cool. So yeah. Let's go back and show you the pickaxe you get for the rebuild the block. It's not the best pickaxe, but this is what it looks like. It looks kind of ugly, but yeah, not a big fan of it. And then for wraps, nothing. Oh, contrails. It's called the seaweed kelp. I fall out of the battle bus. Yeah, kelp. They put kelp instead of help. So there it is. That's hilarious. And then I think that's it for what I've gotten so far. Yeah. So so you'll get quests each day to and I'll tell you what it is. So tomorrow you'll get the banana style of the backlink tomorrow, and then you'll get a sweat umbrella, and then you get the spin sign of the no sweat insurance thing, and then yeah. And they also had a blog post on their news tab on Fortnite. It says No Sweat Insurance is hiring during Fortnite's No Sweat Summer. Summers is the time to play hard and work hard-ish. Unfortunately, No Sweat's employee promise a good time. Jump into No Sweat Summer happening from July 21st at 9 a.m. to till August 9th, 2022 at 9 a.m. For special quests, there's question rewards, rebuilding the block, and more. Welcome to No Sweat Street Stream. And they also have a video on there, but you can also find it in your news tab in game. So the No Sweat quest, as part of the No Sweat Street team, you'll be responsible for No Sweat sponsors quest, No Sweat marketing quest, and a third kind, No Sweat sponsors quest. Progressively become available July 21st, July 23rd. You'll break a sweat to a show you'll No Sweat material. The No Sweat sponsorship quest will see you're transporting a No Sweat sign, and well, that's only physical work you have to do. You'll also be tasked with riding the boat race circuit and making someone else dance. It's the No Sweat way. So the Scholar sponsorship quest is XP, the Ice Blasted Snow, Crunch'em backbling, the Meowskull's tail style of the Ice Blasted Snow, Crunch'em backbling. The No Sweat marketing quest is available on the 24th to 27th. After the No Sweat sponsored quest unlocked, it's time for the No Sweat marketing quest. You through marketing meant desk work is where the real movement begins. These quests you will see dance other people can all work in, so that one is the fishy flurry style. So after you get that one, you do get the fishy flurry style. And then you got the No Sweat product recall quest, July 28th to August 3rd. You'll get the Goopy Guff style of the Ice Blasted Snow Crunch from Spackling and the No Sweat and Lobby track. So yeah. And then, lucky for you, No Sweat notices good performance for completing No Sweat quest. So you get the Nano Frost style of the Ice Blasted Snow backbling. You get the Sweaty Sailor glider, and of course you get the Sweaty Rotation emote. And then rebuild the block quests. You know, they even gave you codes to all of them, which is I find that pretty cool. So you get the Contrail pickaxe and a backbling for these quests, which are live today until August 9th. They give you a whole bunch of um, quests. They actually give you a whole bunch of island codes so you guys can see what they look like in game. And then for the Fortnite crew rewards is the Cuddle Crazy. It's the Cuddle version of the backbling. So and then you have a whole bunch of creatives, and then of course we got the brand new outfits, which are actually coming out tonight in the on shop. If you guys are picking up, make sure you use the code GREAT2012 in the on shop, please. Thank you. So we got the Slayer Charlotte, the Undercover Core, Riptide Raz, and of course Medley, which I'm guessing is this one girl with some goggles on her head. And of course we also have the Undercover Core and the Riptide Raz are part of the Boardwalk Warriors pack. Like I said, we're releasing tonight. So, in spirit of hard and playing hard, Sanctuary has become a prime place for beach party during the No Sweat summer. Take your squad to Sanctuary, where you're not on a no sweat shift. So, this is the perfect time for you guys to get some free rewards, amazing good amount of XP, and so on and so forth. What's it doing there? So yeah. So that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, always make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you later in another video. Peace out.